Hi, it's Instabot from Alertatron. Today we're going to have a quick look at how to set up Alertatron so that you can forward on any incoming alerts to your Telegram account. So here we've got Alertatron on its homepage, and over here we've got Telegram account. Not much going on in there yet, but we will soon fix that. So let's get started. Here we are inside Alertatron and looking at our inbox. So the way Alertatron works is all the alerts coming in end up in your inbox. You can create new groups or folders or labels, however you want to call them, that filter out certain messages, and you can then decide if you want to send those to Telegram or to a trading bot or to Discord or to anything else. And this allows you to separate out your alerts so that some of them go to Telegram and some of them contain commands for executing trades, and some you want to do both of those things with some other alerts. So it's quite a flexible system. So we'll just have a quick look at how your account will be set up by default. So if you come up here to the alerts menu, you'll find a few groups already set up. So there's your inbox, which contains everything, and then there's a group for Discord, Telegram, and the trading bot. So we'll just go take a look at the Telegram one, which is what we want to send messages to. And you can see that a couple of the example alerts are already in here. So these alerts are ones we generate when you create your account, and they are placed into this group using filters. So you'll see we're in the Telegram group here, and it says alerts containing #Telegram or #TG, at least one of these. So if your alert message contains either of these two pieces of text, it will be filtered into this group. So you can see this alert contains #Telegram, and this earlier alert contains #Telegram as well, so inside the message. So when you first start, Alertatron won't be connected to any Telegram accounts. So the first thing we need to do is hook this up to our Telegram account. So you can hook this up to either a private chat with your personal Telegram account, or a Telegram group, or a Telegram channel. And you can actually set it up so that you can connect to many of these, so you can have some messages coming to your personal account and some going to a group that you maintain. So you can do that by adding integrations. So by default, there is one integration already added for a Telegram integration here. If you need to send it to more groups, then just add some more integrations or create new groups like this Telegram one, and connect those. So we'll go in here and try and connect up this Telegram integration to our account. So it currently says it's disconnected. So first you'll see some instructions here on how to connect it up. So there are slightly different instructions depending if you're connecting to a private chat, a group, or a channel. So we'll have a private chat with it. So this is my Telegram account over here. So it says first go search for the Alertatron bot. So we'll just go and copy and paste that and go into the search, and there he is. So we'll connect to that and start the bot. So he just responds saying, hey there, I'm ready to go. So we've done the start, and here you'll see this special command that we have for hooking up the bot to this specific integration. So you'll see there's a big load of random letters and numbers here. These will be different for every time you use this, and each of these sets of letters can only be used a single time. So once you register and connect up the bot to your account, these will all change, so they can't be reused again. So we'll just come through here and paste that in, and we should see a message back from the bot saying done, any alerts filtered into Telegram will be posted here. Brilliant. So any alerts coming into this group will be forwarded on into this Telegram chat here. So we'll come down here. There's some other notes that you can take a look at. There's also some settings that are part of the integration, so you can configure these. So you can change how big any images and chart captures are when they're sent here. This is mostly to get around problems in the Windows version of the Telegram client, which if you send it very large images tends to use very poor quality resizing on them, so they tend not to look very good. If you actually use a smaller size, they look better. So this just gives you a bit of control over that. You can also send the images as a file attachment instead of a picture, which means they are left in perfect quality, but Telegram doesn't go and try and resize them or anything. So if you want the best quality, that's the one to use. Then this option, which is enabled by default, waits for the images to be rendered. So when you capture a chart or something like that with a message, it can take a few seconds to actually go and collect that image. So this will wait until the image is ready and then post the image with the message so that they're not separated out. You can post Markdown if that's something you want to be able to do, and there's also this feature which is also enabled by default, which if you put these 4 hyphens in a row at the start of a line, everything below that will not be sent to Telegram, which allows you to put some parts of your alert message that are private or are just not there cluttering up your Telegram account. So there's a little example here. You can see the first 3 lines there would get sent to Telegram, and the 4 hyphens and the 2 lines at the bottom would not be sent to Telegram. So it just gives you a little bit more control over what you see. So next we will send a test alert over to that to see if that's all working. So we actually have a feature here in the alerts menu where you can send manual test alerts straight into Alertatron. So this is quite handy for testing out this thing. So let's say we want to test the Telegram link, and we'll try using this, and we need to include that hash Telegram so that this alert gets sent into the right group so that it is forwarded to Telegram. Okay, so we want to send this alert right now, so let's send that. Okay, alert sent. Oh, and here it is. This appeared in Telegram straight away. So that's good, and you'll also notice that the hyphens and the hash Telegram aren't there because those were removed. So next we'll add a new alert that will include a chart. So this is obviously quite a useful thing to be able to do. So let's have one that fires when we break this level here. Let's see, about 7030, and we will include this chart in the alert so we can take a look at that from our Telegram account. So the first thing you need to do with this is come up to the chart that you have to save the chart and make sure sharing is on so that our bot can actually see your chart. So once that's enabled, you can come up to the address bar in your web browser here and copy this address, the address of your chart. It's usually at tradingview.com and then a bunch of random letters at the end. So we've got that copied, and so now we need to create an alert. So we'll create an alert, and we said 7030. The webhook's already set up here from when we did this earlier, so there's another video on how to set that up if you want to do that. And we will get rid of the default message, and we will put in our own message. So we will say Bitcoin crossing key level, and and we include the address of the chart here with chart : just before it. So when Alertatron sees chart : and an address, it will go and capture that chart, and we'll be able to post that. And we've also included #Telegram because we want to send this to Telegram when this alert fires. So that's everything we need there. So let's just create that. So I'll just pause here and I'll wait for the alert to come in. So we can see the alert has arrived now, and we've got the chart attached, and in Telegram you can also see the chart has appeared in the Telegram view and the message there with it. Okay, so that's everything we were going to talk about today, so thank you very much for listening.